Hey everyone, Ivan Santiago here on location again, your Central Florida Realtor. I am in the community of Astonia here in Davenport, beautiful Davenport, Florida. There's lots of new construction going on here. A lot of people are moving out here because of the price point. It's a little bit further out from the Orlando city limits, the center of Orlando, but it has decent proximity to I-4, and you know I-4 is the main artery that cuts through Central Florida. So a lot of people are finding great value out here in Davenport. The home behind me is from the builder Ryan Homes. Sorry, I drew a blank there. Ryan Homes. There are 3 builders in this community. They are one of them. The home behind me is called the Hadley Bay. It is 2,700 square feet roughly. It is a beautiful 2-story with a porch. And before we go any further, if you don't mind, please like and subscribe, hit the bell notification icon. I'm putting out my best effort to get you as much content as I can, just like what you're about to see. Those things go a long way. So without further ado, let's check out the Hadley Bay. What a beautiful home. This is a beautiful 2-story. You've got master upstairs, 2 bedrooms. The loft that is featured can also be converted, it looks like, as another bedroom because it has a closet already built into it. You have 1 guest bedroom downstairs. It'd be nice to keep your family upstairs, maybe your guests having privacy. Very nice features. Also, the study downstairs could probably be converted also into another office area with an enclosed door. So lots of options here. As always, I'm here to bring you content, so feel free to like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon. Also, my information is below. If you would love to reach out to me, I would love to represent you and be your resource here on the ground in Central Florida, whether it be buying, selling, new construction, existing, the whole 9 yards. So I'm here for you guys. Don't hesitate to reach out. Leave a comment below. Love to know what you think about this particular home floor plan, and I'll see you on the next video.